Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to make the simplest screenshot technique. So there is a software called Lightshot. Let's download the software from the internet. Search Lightshot and it's coming under app.prntscr.com or something like that. It's fine, you can download it. Click on the software that you have downloaded. And you can see what are the features available there in your screen. So let's install the software. I already have installed the software, so maybe it will uninstall or it will ask for it's asking for closing the application. Fine, I'll close the application and click next. It's the installation is not at all complicated. Next, finish. That's all. 2-3 steps, I think, not more than that. Okay, fine. Now we have installed the program successfully. Let's open the program and let me introduce how you can use that program. So it's pretty simple. You have a key called print screen, PRTSC, in your keyboard. Just press that, so you will be able to select the area that you want to choose. You can even select a full area, and you have a lot of options that is coming along with the screenshot. For example, you can see I can draw lines, I can draw something, and I can draw arrow mark, and I can draw rectangles. I'll check. I'll change the color. It's presently on the red color. You can change it to some other color. For example, let's make it black. You can add text on the screenshot. For example, I put hello on my screenshot. And when you press save option, you can choose the destination where you want to save. But if you press Control S, there is a default location for the Lightshot, so it will be saved there automatically. So this is how you can make a screenshot very simply. I believe it's better than the default snipping tool available. You can even copy and paste it to Paint for more customization. Let me draw it again. Let me take a screenshot again. And you can print it directly using the option. You can even Control P, it will work for printing the picture directly. Okay, now close this one. And if you want to find the screen in Google image search engine, you can even search the image in Google. So I search for that specific image, I can see visually similar images. It's a Windows 10, of course it will find. Now we can share it on social network, Facebook, Twitter, and printer, I don't remember the name. And you can share the link, you can share the screenshot and the internet. Actually, this is a good feature. I liked it. It will generate a custom link for that specific image. You can provide it to your friends or colleague or whoever, so that they can download the picture from the internet using that link. That's one good feature I liked in the software. So great. Let me show you the custom settings as well. Go to the options, and here you have a couple of options. You can change the default option like print screen and shift print screen, and we can change the quality. It was 90, we can make it 100 for best quality. and we can change the language. If you're not good with English, you can change it. A lot of options are available, a lot of language options are available there. So great, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.